नमस्ते बच्चों, गुरुवार के हिंदी क्लास में हाँ आप सबका स्वागत। Last week I was no, not last week, Mangalwar also we spoke about some revisions only, right? Today also we will do just some revisions of our Hindi vocabulary words, because we are coming to the end of this term and today will be the last Hindi class of this term. Okay, and we have already revised few things that we have seen in this term, namely the days of the week, the आकारों के नाम, विद्यालय या कक्षा से संबंधित शब्द, then many words like that. Which what else did we see? Then we saw yeah, these were the things that we saw in this term. Now we will also see what we learned in the first term also. Okay, the last item that we had learnt in the first term was जानवर. जानवर means what? Animals. Okay, जानवरों के नाम. जानवर भी हमने दो प्रकार के देखे थे. One was पालतू जानवर, है ना? Two types. One was पालतू जानवर. पालतू means the ones that you take care at home or which are domesticated. Domestic animals. Okay? Domestic animals are पालतू जानवर. Then we saw जंगली जानवर. When we say जंगली itself, you know what it is? Yes, they are from the jungle. जंगल के जानवर को जंगली जानवर कहते हैं. जंगली इसलिए क्योंकि two reasons. One, they can be very they can attack you anytime. Okay, so you have to be careful. Second, they are too shy to come in front of you. Who's very shy to come in front of you? Hiran? Yes, Hiran. They don't like coming near you, coming near them and all. They'll just jump and they will go away. Okay, so that's Hiran. There are so many animals like that, you know, particularly the rodent varieties like meerkats and all. They'll all run away the moment you see. They are very shy. Squirrels and all, they'll run away. Have you tried to get a glimpse of a squirrel? The moment the squirrel sees that somebody is watching, he'll just run away from there. Okay, like that in the jungle there are jungli janwar who are very fierce. They can really attack you or they can be shy. Okay, but they like to live in the jungle. If you forcefully bring them into your place, then the only place where they can be safe is zoo. Okay, so if you want to see jungli janwar, you can go to the zoo and see it. If you want to see paltu janwar, you can see it everywhere around you. Is it not? चलो हम अभी जंगली जानवर से शुरू करें. चलो आ जाओ मेरे. I'll give you names of 10 जंगली जानवर. 10 जंगली जानवरों के नाम. Okay? First one, शेर. शेर. Why did I give शेर first? Because they say शेर जंगल का राजा है. He is the king of the jungle. शेर. Then who is this? Bandar. If Sher is the king of the jungle, Bandar is a clown of the jungle. Bandar. Bandar. Then Hiran. Hiran. Okay? Hiran. हाथी. हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, सूंड हिला के कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोले चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर. हाथी. नेक्स्ट लोमड़ी. लोमड़ी. Lomdi means fox, the clever fox. Okay, Lomdi. Bagh. Bagh. Bagh means tiger. Bagh. My favorite animal, wild animal, is bug. Very beautiful lines it has. Then cheetah. This will be easy for you to remember. It's cheetah itself, but you call it cheetah. 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 Then genda. 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 Okay. Then I have one more wild animal in this, but I don't have the card. It is that of the wolf. We call it as bhedia. Bhedia. Okay? Bhedia. Remember the story I told you about the boy, the shepherd who keeps telling lies always. The wolf is coming, wolf is coming. Then one day the wolf will come and eat up all his bakri. Yeah. Bhedia. Bhedia comes and attacks. Shall we have a quick look? Come. Sher, Bandar, Hiran, Hathi, Lomdi, Bagh, cheetah, genda, and then bhedia. Okay. The first one, now paltu janwar. These are all paltu janwar. Okay. What is this? So woolly sheep. Okay. What do you call it? Bhed. Bhed. Okay. Bhed. Next one, bakri. Bakri. Sometimes the person who takes care, they'll call it together as bhed bakri. Bhed bakriyan. Okay. Just now I told you the story of that charwaha, no? The shepherd. He used to take care of bhed bakriyan. Then what happened? The Bhedia came and attacked his bhed bakriyan. Okay. Bhed bakri. Then ghoda. Ghoda. Okay. लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा. That ghoda only. Okay. Next one. Gadha. Gadha. Donkey. Donkey. Kutta. Dog. Kutta. One sweet little खरगोश. खरगोश बाग में रहता है, गाजर मूली खाता है. Do you sing that song? खरगोश. बिल्ली. बिल्ली. गाय. cow. गाय. cow. ऊंट. ऊंट. camel. Okay. In this also one more is missing, that is the buffalo, which we call as bhains. Bhains. Bhains means buffalo. Shall we see the words one more time? We'll go in this order itself. What is this? Oont, guy. What is this? Billy. What is this? खरगोश. ये क्या है? कुत्ता. Good. ये क्या है? गधा। ये क्या है? घोड़ा। बकरी और भेड़. Okay, then please don't forget the भैंस also. I'll try and get the picture and fix it. So that is all for today. Quick revision. जंगली जानवर, पालतू जानवर. 10-10, इसमें भी 10 है, इसमें भी 10. ठीक है, आप याद रखोगे? Okay, remember the names, don't forget it. Make use of the break time to revise. Don't say that no classes are there and forget. I know 1 week break if I give you, what happens I know. You will all forget everything. Is it not? Okay, then in that case you do one thing. All these names, if you can remember, you try. But compulsorily I want you to study numbers, okay, in English. 11, 12. ELEVEN 11. TWELVE 12, that only. That I want you to study from 11 to 19. You have to remember it, okay? Because I know you are very good in 20, 30, 40, 50, all that you are very good. But 11 to 19 is still a confusion. It's not easy. Make a chart, have it at home, read it every day. That will do. If you don't want to write, no problem, don't write. At least do the reading, okay? If you keep reading and seeing it, you might remember it always, okay? Okay, चलो तो हम चलते हैं. अलविदा.